have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my crispy smoked wingettes that I put on my grill, and you guys are gonna love it. I will have my ingredients listed below as usual. So first we wanna start out with washing our meat, and I washed my meat with some vinegar and a little bit and a lemon, and I just cleaned my meat before I got started. Next, I put it in this bowl. I added some water to cover all of my chicken wings, and I added salt. I used granulated garlic because I didn't have any fresh garlic cloves, but if you do have that, it would be better just to get that and smash it. But if not, the substitute would be granulated garlic. I put in some fresh black peppercorns as well. I am sealing this, or you could put it in a Ziploc. And I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. It helps with crisping the skin on my chicken while it is on this smoker. And so now I've taken the chicken. It's been about, I think I let mine sit in there for about 8 hours, like overnight. And so I poured off that water, and I put them on some paper towels, and then I patted them dry. Now I'm adding a little bit of olive oil as my binder for my seasoning. So I have a terrific seasoning blend, you guys, that I put together, and that was what was in the container because I make a really big batch because I use this particular seasoning blend on everything. But it consists of kosher salt, granulated garlic, granulated onion, paprika, Cajun seasonings, Creole seasoning. I have some brown sugar in there, some sazon caliente. I'm using the hot, but that is definitely optional. If I want to make it hotter, I will add in some cayenne pepper in addition. And I also added in a little bit of the cedar plank salmon seasoning as well. And so that is my seasoning blend that is on here. So I've covered my chicken, and of course I eat both sides. So I had seasoned both sides. So now I am actually just rubbing the seasoning into the chicken. I just want to make sure all of the chicken is coated pretty decent in the seasoning blend that I have put on it, and getting it ready for the grill. So on the grill, I am setting my temperature to 225. I have an offset cooking method. So I have my coals on one side. So I'm using lump coal, and I'm using hickory wood. And I put the wings on. They're not quite done yet, but they're pretty close. And look how beautiful they are, smoke and turning out. I wanted to give you a good shot of that. And I will pull them off once they reach the internal temperature of 165 so that they stay juicy and just delicious. So you guys, you need to try these wings. Look at these wings, aren't they terrific? I have a wonderful dipping sauce. I'm gonna leave you my buffalo sauce for dipping. You guys, thank you for watching my video. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.